Hello, my name is Kumar Vani. I have been teaching English language and literature for more than 15 years in a degree college. Most of the time, I get a question from my students. They find it difficult to speak in English. When I consider this question, I realize that this could happen due to the lack of vocabulary. And to solve this problem, I have developed and designed a foundation English vocabulary building course for people who are interested in developing their English language speaking skills. In this course, the learners will be able to understand how to build the vocabulary. Another feature of this course is words are categorized in such a way that the learner will find it very easy to understand and use them in their daily conversation. Another feature of this course is, in this course you will learn through videos and there will be small exercises at the end of each lesson. Most importantly, this course is free. At the end of the course, the learners have to submit the assignment to get the certificate. If you are interested in developing your English speaking skills, join this course. This course is absolutely free. You just have to download Google Classroom on your mobile phone, and to join the course, use the link given in the description box below. I look forward to welcome you in the course. Happy learning.